It was very, very special. I'll never forget that next day, the following few days, the sense of accomplishment, and particularly I think because of the people. It brought the whole county together, what went on. And Michael was a very special person as well to lead us, and we had a very tight-knit group. It was definitely the best couple of months of my career and my hurling life.
It was such a fairy tale period. So when Tony Murphy gave me the list of places we were going to go for a number of nights, the various places, the various clubs, the various pubs, I said, I can't, I said, I won't be able to get up for work in the morning, I was so naive to think that I could just walk away, go back to the school. When I saw the sad look on his face, I changed my mind. So I'm glad I went to those places, because that you can never, ever buy anything like that. You can never buy the friendship and the camaraderie. And that's one thing that I got from those years with Offaly. Friendship, camaraderie, friendships that will never be broken.